What was it about scalp micropigmentation that made you want to learn it?
I can't give my answer.
Come
when I make that cheddar, boy.
Guys, so today we got Nicole who's going to be coming in to complete her master's training. She is already a certified scalp micropigmentation artist, fundamentals training through me at Scalp Solutions. So it's going to be amazing. I'm excited for her. I'm sure she's excited. Let's get to it.
Hey, David, what's up?
Man.
How are you?
What's up, bro?
Nice to see you, man.
How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Let me see what we got there. Nice and healed up.
It's there.
Yeah, we're gonna finish it off today, brother. You're gonna be a
Nice.
brand new man.
My name is Bernardo. I was 27 when I first started noticing, my hair loss. It made me feel a little bad, in the beginning. I'm getting in my third section now. I'm gonna have a hairline.
Awesome. Yeah. How you feel there, bro? Are you comfortable there? Do we need to bring this?
A little bit down that east again.
Let's look at this. Right? It's been how long? 4 months? And with our second session, what do you think? How does that match with the remaining hair gradient there?
I mean, his hair is much more dense.
Right. But what we see here, like the coloring,
Oh, that's.
do the colors match? Clearly the density is off.
Yeah,
Because that's what we're gonna find out.
I think that was a
today.
good color. I am a licensed master barber for the last 13 years. I went to David because any place that I looked at, they only offered 1 day, 1 class, and although you had a model, it was only like the first session. You don't get to see the rest of it and like the oh crap moments. So I like the way he did it with like multiple classes, and you get like the whole picture, the whole experience from the beginning to the end.
You really Christmas gift this one up,
I don't know,
huh?
I was trying to, COVID, man.
And COVID-19 and 20 this bitch up. Alright, so we're gonna make some adjustments. So I like to just fucking crank that baby all the way out. You're about to go from ashy to classy.
There you go. Make me look guapo.
Alright, Miss Nicole, come over here, please. Alright, so natural hairline, right? So you see it's not as dense right there. We don't. What was it about scalp micropigmentation that made you want to learn it?
I can't give my answer.
Come
when I make that cheddar, boy.
Because it's the natural, like I'm just following, I'm following that. If you wanted to do that to establish like a foundation, by all means. Hold on, I'm gonna give you 1 or 2 little, so that you can remember what that feels like. See how I just sporadically just throw one in there? If you lift my hat up, you're gonna see I got like 3 or 4 hairs that are totally off from the hairline. So after you do a nice little group, you always, it's gonna always look good like this. Oh yeah, that looks nice and straight. And then when you take that look back and you realize, holy shit, this guy's hairline now looks like a Richter scale, you know? And then we'll match the density, right? But we created ourselves some spacing here, and if we gotta come back, we'll do that. We don't wanna go too dense right now, and then we fill this in, and this is overpowering. So we'll kind of just come back and fine tune that. I was maybe like, I'm not even gonna lie, some of my friends are like, oh yeah, after the 5th one, I felt amazing. I'm like, what? I was like, maybe like, I was still in my 20th client around there, and I was still like, holy shit. Like, this better come out good. Please don't migrate.
Because everyone's different, so it's like, even if you're the most experienced person, everyone's skin is different.
Right, and
so
that's
they're
why.
Take care of it's different.
And that's why for your first sessions, you don't ever want to get carried away and go too dense, because you don't know how that person is going to metabolize the pigment. I do it way more dense than what we did with him, because I don't want to get you started on like bad practicing, you know, for the first session. Like, you'll build that confidence as you go. The way we did it with him is the safest way and leaves the opportunity for less mistakes. You were drinking beer last night, weren't you? Yep.
You getting a little bloody, boy.
No, not that. I was drinking tequila. I just had one with wifey.
I could taste it. Todd Hunter, you're up. Yeah, just give them the first 3 or 4, you know.
And then go up, or just the mustache?
And then from here up. Just your initial stretch the skin.
And just now, am I going in between, or?
Yeah, absolutely. Like,
or am I just like?
Your main target is in between those impressions. Get like 10, 15 of them in, wipe, step back. Right. Is yours slightly denser than mine? Yes. Can you see it more than mine? Yes, but that's only because it's not blended in.
Okay.
Once you add a couple of more of your impressions into mine, that's gonna be a nice transition. You're not gonna see it, the client is definitely not gonna see it.
Getting younger and younger, dude.
You ready? Let me see. I gotta take this cuerno, man. I told my wife she's putting cuernos on me.
Yeah, no, that looks good, man. Once we put the... Alright, go ahead, back to business. Let's do it. You work to this?
It's Corona time. It's Corona time.
Oh, my boy. Some of these guys, they get a little shaky. So what I do is I have stress balls. And believe it or not, I use that as the ultimate icebreaker when I see they start getting a little fidgety. Because what I tell them, because you know, predominantly I'm dealing with men, right? So what I tell them is, here you go, man. Hold on to my balls. And I give them the 2 stress balls, so they're kind of like, ah, this guy thinks he's funny. But yeah, it depends, you know. It's the head. It's just like the rest of the body. We have different nerves everywhere. So like, I've had clients that they're doing great, and you get to a certain area of the head, and you see the leg, like, you know, it just like starts kicking out, or the, you know, the arm, and they're like, holy shit, you know, I feel it like in my ear, or I feel it like on my nipples or some shit like that. It's crazy. When they did mine, I felt it, and I just did the front portion, right? I did, you know, I had a receding hairline. Shit, man, I was feeling it on my big toe. Like, it's not pain. It's just, you know, it feels like they're you know, it's like like they're pulling a hair. What it feels like to you?
It just feels something quick like that.
Like it's almost annoying, right? Like they pulling individual hair. That's what it felt like for me, but on my big toe. Your spacing and density looks better than mine's. You know what I was gonna do today? Believe it or not, I was gonna really jack you up. You know what I was gonna make you do? I was gonna make you give me a touch up. No? I feel confident that you can do it.
Yeah.
For real. I feel that you learned it that good. I promise you. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna ask Nicole to do you do really good impressions and it's the hairline. So I was like, you know what? I'll have her do it.
I felt it was you in the beginning. You were like this, but then like later on, you got your confidence, and then you went a little bit more.
I remember how to do it, man.
Yeah.
Nice natural hairline. Let's see what we got.
Hey. Nice, man. Loving it.
Good, nice,
Oh, yes.
natural how you wanted it.
That's the way I wanted it. Perfect. Thank you. Ooh.
That's the trainee work right there. We don't play around. When you come here, you're gonna get good training.
Shit, they good.
Yeah, that looks really good.
I was looking at myself in the mirror like, pinche David. Wow, it looks amazing, man. Whoa, it's a new me.